Hello, Daniel here. I made a lot of these videos recently, actually. Especially about my fanfic, but it's because I'm desperate. I'm very, very desperate to get people to give my fanfic a chance. See, now I'm hoping that somebody who's watching this video is a good drawer, animator, or whatever, and they can draw a thumbnail for my fanfic. Yep, a thumbnail. But to do that you need information. If you're interested, then you can send me a mail on my mail address derpy.penguin64@gmail.com. There you can send me a mail if you're interested. I'll give you some information and how I think it could look, and we'll see how it works out. Oh yeah. And I might also have found a way to record stuff. All I need is time and a 3DS. Yeah. And money. A lot of money. I've used all of my money on games. Instead of consoles. Bad idea. Anyways, that was all. I don't have anything else for you. But please check out my fanfic. I've given it a new name, An Odd Life, because it's very hard to search for it on the website when there were those quotation marks. Oh god. I'm sorry, I've just woken up. But this was just the perfect time. I put a shirt on to avoid getting all awkward and stuff. I forgot the pants though. Oh well, I gotta have a bath later anyway. So anyways, I hope that somebody can draw a picture through the information I'm going to give. I can give you a little bit of information on the story. Anyway, you may know, the story is a story about a boy based on me with the same name. Shut up, I don't have any imagination. Who gets through crazy chance arrives in Equestria through his computer screen. There he meets Sakura, who's in complete panic, so apparently she knows something that Daniel don't. Or Cloudy Pillow, as he's known as in their world. She makes a mixture that transforms him into a Pegasus pony, and then he seeks audience with the princess, hoping that she'll know what he should do. She gives him a chance to start over, a new life in Equestria, and of course he's happy about it. Then, when he arrives in Ponyville, of course, he finds out that he has his own personal maid, called Feather Dust, who quickly takes a liking to him, because she used to... This hasn't been revealed in the story yet, this thing I'm gonna say. She used to work for Blue Blood. Yeah. So she's not used to being treated properly. So she quickly takes a liking to Daniel because of his lazy, laid-back attitude and style, and how he treats her like a friend and a family member instead of a maid. She likes that. She quickly took a liking to him. However, she seems to have a bit of disorder in her personalities. Like, one moment she was so shy, so shy. The next, she was all normal and cheerful. And the next moment again, she was shy. And just saying sorry all the time. I haven't really figured out how that would be going yet. How that would... Look, I'm just making the whole thing up as I go. Though I'm slowly starting to shape an end in my mind, because everything has to end, even a fanfic. Okay, the description of how the characters look. My OC, oh Jesus Christ, I'm shaking. My OC is Cloudy Pillow / Daniel. His coat is a deep yellow, like dark yellow, deep yellow, mysterious yellow, whatever. And then we have feather dust. Oh wait, no. Daniel's mane, I forgot. It's bright yellow. And his cutie mark is a cloud shaped like a pillow, or it's a pillow shaped like a cloud. It's probably a cloud shaped like a pillow now that I think about it. So yeah. Oh god, it's every time I hold the phone with my left hand it begins shaking like crazy. Can I just put it there? Right. And then there's Feather Dust. Her color scheme is the exact opposite. Her coat is bright yellow and her mane is deep purple. And it's fairly short. Fairly short. And Cloudy Pillow's mane is all messy and stuff like my hair. Because he's simply too lazy to brush his hair all the time. Just like me. I should probably also explain their physique, the shape of the body. Well, Cloudy Pillow, he is fairly tall and he's fairly tall and slim. Although he's not like really slim. He's like just at the just between normal and unhealthily slim. And then we have Feather. She is she's you know, well, she's fairly short, and she looks very fragile. Oh yeah, and she also got like freckles, like, you know, Applejack freckles on her cheeks, like Applejack, you know. Okay, and yeah, this is something that had to be in the thumbnail. A shadowy figure somewhere in the background. Being it huge or just a small one, all the way back, I don't care. There has to be a shadowy figure because there is someone pulling the strings. Who could it be? It could be Celestia helping Cloudy Pillow with his destiny. It Could be Discord, just having fun. It could be Chrysalis, sending out her changelings to further her own goals by doing something to Cloudy. Whatever it is, Cloudy got more of a destiny than he thinks he has. So yeah. Oh dear God, look at the time. Okay, so I don't have any more to talk about. Just send me an email, derpy.penguin64@gmail.com, and if you're interested, and I'll give you all the info you need. Alright, see ya.